found parked by a Dollar Tree. I'm so excited because I don't have any Dollar Trees near me. And the other day that I was driving around and I Googled a place to go, and I like randomly saw this one, and this used to be a Chef Supplier store, so I'm so excited because the last one I went to was in a very good neighborhood, and somebody stole a bunch of things, and then they yelled profanities to the cashiers. I felt so bad for them, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm never coming here ever again. And I wanted to get a ton of balloons because I know they're all like $1, so yeah, I never went back. And so I'm so excited to check out what they have. Everybody posts all these cool videos of like Dollar Tree. I know everything's like $1, so I'm super excited to check out what they have. So I'm gonna take you with me. So they had a lot of Christmas decor, but what I like to buy are the Christmas bags because I hate wrapping gifts. So I usually recycle them and save them for the next year. And these were so cute. And the parchment paper is only like $1. Not parchment paper, tissue paper. But so this is everything they had. They had these chocolate spoons. They were so cute for like gifts or whatever. And I bought 3 of these to give out gifts for like cookies or something. So you're always looking for to put something in, you know. And then my friend's having a baby, so I bought a bag of that. And my daughter's birthday's coming up. And I usually buy more birthday cards just to have around, if just in case somebody's having a birthday. Because they're only, you don't have to go to Target and pay $4 for one. Oh, Dr. Dre recommended this because it doesn't have any fragrance. And I guess it's really good. Another YouTuber recommended this one. Scotch tape you always need. Thank you cards. These are good. I never write thank you because I'm horrible. I'll grab this one. This is super cute. But I always make the kids do it. Sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, party surprise. I need plates. Paper plates. Because I always have like kids over. And I don't want to wash plates when they come over. So I'm just gonna buy a few. Spoons for $1. I'm gonna get some of these too. So inexpensive. Good just to clean for $1. And I like, where are these things that oh, these guys are so good. Look at my stove, super good. Ooh, these are good for the toilet, to clean the toilet, because it's I have like hard water, and the lemon way really works. I'm gonna get a couple of those. Okay, I know you don't get a lot, but this one's really good. Tried it last time. I use a lot, and they're only $1. So amazing. Baking soda is like 50 cents. So I just put it in my bath. I heard they have sand pillowcases. I have a silk one. Kind of want to try one. Should we try one? Oh, they have goodies. Are these good? Maybe. When you take a shower or bath. I'm gonna get some. Oh my god, those are adorable. They're candles for the Day of the Dead. These are good when you go to restaurants, you can see. This is everything that I got. So I got those cupcake floss. It's such a good deal there. It's only, how many do you get? 60? For $1. Everything is $1. Oh, and I got lucky because I was going to go to Target and buy these anyways. And they're Vaseline for your lips. You just need Vaseline. That's what's really good for you. And then they have the Optic White. I know it's small, but whatever. I was out and my store hasn't brought it back, so I bought a couple. And yeah, that's some of the toothpaste I use. I know it's not good for you, but whatever. I like my teeth being white. And I bought like 4 of these because yeah, I don't know. So let's get dirty. That's pretty much it. What else did I get? Oh, and the plates and those. We'll see if these work. They look kind of cheap or whatever. I don't know, just to hold your hair up a little bit. So I got lucky with chapstick. I don't find anything like seasonal or whatever, but I don't know. I don't like buying like $1 little trinkets and things like that because I know they're just gonna go in the trash. So I don't like to contribute to trash. So I've been trying to like not buy as much. So yeah, but I thought that was pretty cool because everything is just like stuff that I use, you know. And I remember one time I got that pledge. A lot of things that I bought are like recommendations from YouTube videos, and they haven't steered me wrong. So that toilet cleaner, actually to clean the stove, the thing that I showed you, the cleaning ladies that used to come to my house told me to get that, and it totally works because my stove is always clean. thanks to that, not to me because I'm horrible at cleaning. And the toilet thing, there were a recommendation from them too, because I have that hard water and it creates like rust in the toilets. So they're like, oh, get that. And then the pledge, I think it's not a pledge, but it was from YouTube. Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait.